Ahem. Me, 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 me. Yeah. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear pigeon.
And to the duckling.
What?
We do share a birthday after all.
Fine. And the duckling. Happy birthday to us. And now for a story about my... Okay. A story about our birthday. Right? Nice. Okay. Okay, here we go. It's time to read... It's My Birthday! An annual event.
Words and pictures by Mo Willems.
Okay, and so on this page,
La
you can
la
see
la,
that is my hot dog, and it's got my hot dog candle on.
la
It's
la
very, very
la
exciting.
la
Okay, here we
la
go. Okay, so
la
down.
la
Next page.
la
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's my birthday! Look, 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 look.
I gotta go wait for him.
Mama!
I'm so excited! I will do all the birthday stuff today! I will at my birthday party. I will blow out the candle on my birthday hot dog. My birthday. Just for me. Hey!
Ah, não, de novo não. Ô, Isadora, cadê meu ovo de chocolate?
Eu não estou comendo chocolate.
Não tô acreditando. Ainda bem que esse ano eu ganhei 2. Ô, Olivia, você viu meu segundo ovo de chocolate?
Your birthday party?
I have the hat.
Today is my birthday! Oh, mine, mine, mine,
Mine!
mine, mine,
Mine!
mine, mine,
Fala, meu filho!
Nada não.
It is your birthday.
I share a birthday with you?
Not just me.
Wait, look at all those eggs. Just shake, shake, shaky, crack, crack.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Now this bird. This was supposed to be my day. A special, special moment. Where's the pigeon party? I'm getting emotional over here. What am I? Invisible? I just want to be seen. Wait. Will you see me? I mean, really, see me. Thank you. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to see some friends and celebrate our birthday!